I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but I'm gonna stay focused on my grind. I won't let none of this shit faze me.
What up? Welcome back to the channel. Real quick unboxing. I said in a video or two ago that I'm really on Jordan 1. So walked into Hibbett the other day and ran into something I hadn't seen before. And I think they may be just a Hibbett exclusive. I hadn't seen them nowhere else. Even online I looked and Hibbett is the only one that got them. So let's check it out. Boom. Obviously right, some Jordan 1s. Here you can read the title. Size 11.5. I had to go just a little bit half size bigger than what I normally go. If you read right there, that's black, fire red, and white. Alright. So open the front set to see what we got. First thing that you see is the 23 paper. See the wrap with your 23s all over it. That's pretty cool. And out comes these. Boom. Jordan 1s. You got your red Air Jordan symbol in the back. It's the whole back, or whole pretty much part of the shoe is black with the red Nike Swoosh. The white toe. Oh, sorry. The white toe. You see the nice tongue right there. And then the red sock liner. Black bottom, white midsole. I have not seen these anywhere online at any store other than Hibbett. Hibbett is the only place I have seen it. So I'm thinking that it's probably a Hibbett exclusive that you could only get at Hibbett. But this right here, I love this right here. All black with the white toe. This is gonna add nice to the collection right here. Y'all hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you ever seen these. Tell me if you like these right here. Like I said, if you want to get them online, you gotta go to Hibbett. Or if you had a Hibbett store by you, you can walk in maybe and get a pair like I did. But yeah, man. Still looking forward to this weekend. We got the Jordan 3s. This is another shoe I'm on. The Jordan 3 Fire Reds is dropping this weekend. So definitely jumping in on that. Hit me up if you're jumping in on that as well. But yeah, tell me what you think about this. The Jordan 1 Low. I don't even think they got a name for this one. What would I name this one? I don't even know. Reverse breads? I don't know. Semi breads, almost a bread. I don't know. But there you go, man. Till next time, man. That was a real quick Jordan 1 review. They feel comfortable. I already put one on. They feel comfortable because, I mean, all Jordan 1s to me feel comfortable though. So excited about this and can't wait to wear this at the Alabama-Texas game. All right, I'll holler.
Yourself, you need balance.